Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and help you determine which one suits your needs best. Let's get started. The COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine boasts a total capacity of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning. This makes it suitable for larger loads, ideal for families. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 liters, which is more suitable for smaller loads, making it perfect for individuals or small families. If you frequently wash larger items, the COSTWAY might be the better choice. When it comes to portability, the COSTWAY machine is bulkier and heavier, weighing 29 pounds, which may make it less convenient for transport. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is lightweight at just 5.05 pounds and is foldable, making it extremely easy to store and carry. If you need something that can be easily moved or stored, the portable washing machine is the clear winner. In terms of power consumption, the COSTWAY machine uses 330 W for washing and 110 W for spinning, which can lead to higher energy bills. Conversely, the portable washing machine operates at just 60 W, making it much more energy efficient. If you're looking to save on electricity costs, the portable washing machine is the better option. To wrap up, the choice between the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the portable washing machine ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a larger capacity and don't mind the bulk, the COSTWAY is a great option. However, if portability and energy efficiency are your priorities, the portable washing machine is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.